and y.
90 meters apart.
The points x and y,
90 meters apart.
19 meters apart,
Are on the same side of a tree.
are on the same side of a tree.
The angles of elevation of the top T
The angles of elevation of the top T
of the tree from X and Y
from x
and Y
and y
on the horizontal ground
on the horizontal ground
with the foot of the tree
with the foot of the tree
are 43
are 43 degrees
and 38 degrees.
and 38 degrees respectively.
A illustrates the information in a diagram.
Illustrate the information in the diagram.
B, find correct one degree
Correct to one decimal place. One decimal place.
the height of the tree.
And the tree. You can see the way I interpret it is one problem. 2 points x and y, they are 19 meters apart. The next step from point x, the angles of elevation of the top of the tree is 43 degrees. The angle of elevation from point y to the top of the tower is 38 degrees. So what they ask us to do now is to get the height of the tree. Now before we can get the height of the tree, angle of elevation means somebody is at the top, you are looking at somebody at the top of the building, you are looking at the top, somebody at the top of the building, that is angle of elevation. You are forming an angle to the top of the building. Somebody is at the top of the building looking down, is forming an angle of depression. So quickly, to get the height of the building, this is the small triangle, this is the big triangle. So let's call this place y, this small place y, and h is what we are looking for. So you will start from triangle TSF, which is the small triangle. Everybody look at the board. From triangle TXF, the small triangle, we have what? We have h over y equals to opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent is equal to 0. What's opposite over adjacent? Tan what? Tan 43. So katoa. Opposite over adjacent is equal to tan, which is toa. So automatically the cross multiply, h is equal to 1 tan 43 degrees. That's equation 1. H is equal to y tan 43 degrees, equation 1. Now let's look at the second one. Using the bigger triangle, from triangle TYF, from triangle TYF, which is the bigger triangle. Do you know from line line Y to F is 19 and y, abi? So when you add them together, YF will be 19 plus y, using the bigger triangle. So if from YF is 19 plus y, if you find using trigonometric ratios, so we have opposite over adjacent. That's h divided by 19 plus y equals to what? Equals to tan 38 degrees. So cross multiply again. You have h equals to 19 plus y tan what? Tan 38 degrees. That's equation 2. Now, what is common between equation 1 and equation 2 is the value of the h. First equation is h equals to y tan 43. Second equation is 19 plus y tan 38. Both of them have h in common. So what you are going to do is to write equation 1 equals to equation 2. Equation 1 equals to equation 2. So what's equation 1? Equation 1 is y tan 43 equals to equation 2 is 19 plus y tan what? Tan 38. So let's open the bracket. You have y tan 43 equals to 19 tan 38 plus y tan 38 degrees. You can see. So the next thing is to what? Is to collect like terms and get the value of y. So the next thing is going to be y tan 43, this one will come here, minus y tan 38 equals to 19 tan 38 degrees. What is common here? Y, right? So bring it outside. It's going to be y into bracket tan 43 minus tan 38 equals to what? 19 tan 38. Don't forget what we are looking for. What we are looking for is y now. So we have y equals to 19 tan 38 divided plus this tan 43 minus tan 38 degrees. So we have y equals to 19 times, what's tan 38? Somebody should help me, calculator, what is tan 38? And somebody should help me tan 43, quickly.
Tan 38, 0.7.
7813 divided by tan 43.
0.9325.
9325. So we have what? Y is equal to, somebody should help me with the numerator. 19 times 0.7813. 14.8440, right? 7. Divided by the denominator. Somebody should subtract quickly. Somebody should subtract quickly.
0.151.
0.15. 0.15 what? 1, 2. So y is equal to, divide please. Divide please. 0.8447 divided by 0.1512.
98.6.
Somebody should do this again please. Numerator divided by denominator. Somebody should do this again.
98.179. 98.179.
98.
0.179.
98.179. You sure? Please, somebody should confirm that. 98.179. 1792. So let's just make it 2 decimal places. Let's leave it as 3 decimal places. But that's not what we want to get. What we want to get is the height of the tower. So automatically, equation 1 is what? From equation 1. From equation, what is equation 1? H equals to y times 43. So we have, what's the value for y? So what's the value for y? 98.179 times, what's the value of tan 43? What's tan 43 here? Tan 43 is what? 0.9325. So automatically my h is equal to what? Someone should help me with the multiplication. This multiplied by this. Quickly,
91.553.
multiplication of everything. Is that the multiplication of everything?
Yes, 91.553.
91.5533.
You are approximated.
So we have 91.55 meters. Or is this centimeters? Meters, that's the answer. That is the height of the tower.